Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Sinha. I study in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. My USN is 1VE23IS028 and my subject name is Analysis and Design of Algorithms. Today I'll discuss about the topic Mathematical Analysis of Recursive Algorithms. Mathematical Analysis, a comprehensive overview of recursive algorithms and their analysis. Introduction. Recursive algorithms solve problems by breaking them down into smaller subproblems of the same type. To analyze their efficiency, we use mathematical tools to determine their time and space complexity. This typically involves forming a recurrence relation that describes the algorithm's behavior and solving it to find the asymptotic complexity like 0n log n, 0n log n square, 0n square, 0n square etc. Common methods for solving recurrence relations include substitution method, recursion tree method, master theorem. Understanding these helps predict performance and optimize recursive algorithms in terms of execution time and memory usage. Now we will delve into Intro to Recursion, evaluating efficiency through recursive relations. So what is the definition of recursion? Recursion is a programming technique where a function calls itself to solve a problem. It is particularly useful for solving problems that can be broken down into smaller, similar subproblems. So, what is the importance in algorithms? Recursive algorithms are essential for simplifying complex problems. They often lead to cleaner and more understandable code compared to iterative solutions, making them a preferred choice in algorithms like quicksort and merge sort. Basic recursive examples. Common examples include calculating the factorial of a number, Fibonacci series generation, and solving maze problems. These examples illustrate how recursion can efficiently tackle problems through self-referential definitions. Now we will discuss about mathematical foundations. Mathematical induction. Mathematical induction is a proof technique used to establish the truth of an infinite number of statements. It is particularly useful in proving properties of recursive algorithms. Recurrence relations. Recurrence relations describe the relationship between the terms in a sequence or the running time of a recursive algorithm. Solving these relations helps us analyze algorithm efficiency. Complexity analysis. Complexity analysis assesses the performance of an algorithm, focusing on time and space requirements, which is crucial to understand the scalability and efficiency of recursive approaches. Now we will discuss about the algorithm efficiency. First is time complexity. Time complexity measures the amount of time an algorithm takes to complete as a function of the length of the input. For recursive algorithms, it is often expressed as a recurrence relation, allowing us to analyze the overall time required for execution. Second is space complexity. Space complexity assesses the total memory consumed by an algorithm, including both the space necessary for the input and the auxiliary space required by the algorithm itself. Recursive algorithms often use additional stack space for function calls. We'll discuss about Big O notation. Big O notation provides an upper bound on the time or space requirements of an algorithm. It allows for the comparison of algorithms based on their efficiency, helping developers select the most suitable approach for a given problem. Now, we'll move on to the applications and case studies. Sorting algorithms. Recursive sorting algorithms like quicksort and mergesort efficiently break down datasets into smaller, manageable parts. They employ divide and conquer strategies that significantly enhance performance on large datasets. Tree traversal. Recursive methods are commonly used for traversing data structures like trees. Algorithms such as pre-order, in-order, and post-order traversals exemplify how recursion simplifies the navigation through hierarchical data. Dynamic programming. Dynamic programming often utilizes recursive approaches to solve complex problems by dividing them into simpler subproblems, storing the results of these subproblems to avoid redundant computations, thereby optimizing performance. Challenges and solutions. Common pitfalls in recursion. Common pitfalls include stack overflow due to excessive recursion depth and inefficient computations when handling overlapping subproblems. Identifying these issues early can enhance the effectiveness of recursive algorithms. Iterative versus recursive approaches. While recursion provides elegance and simplicity, iterative solutions can offer better performance by avoiding the overhead associated with multiple function calls. Understanding the trade-offs is essential for selecting the appropriate method. Optimization techniques. Employing techniques such as tail recursion optimization and memoization can significantly improve the efficiency of recursive algorithms. These practices minimize resource usage and enhance the overall performance of algorithm implementations. Conclusion. Mathematical analysis of recursive algorithms is essential for understanding their efficiency and scalability. By formulating and solving recurrence relations, we can determine the time and space complexity of these algorithms. Techniques like the master theorem, substitution, and recursion trees provide systematic ways to analyze and optimize recursive solutions, leading to better algorithm design and performance. Thank you.